because the word thread doesn't just mean one thing.
And this is absolutely the most important thing to get. We have to draw a line in the sand between two very different kinds of threads. What we just talked about were hardware threads. The two hands for our chef. That's a physical feature built right into the CPU. But then you have software threads. Your applications are constantly creating these. Every single tab in your web browser, that's a software thread. The spell checker running in the background, yep, another software thread. They're basically just to-do lists for your computer.
So you have all these software to-do lists, and only a few hardware hands to do the actual work. How does that work? That's the job of your operating system, your Windows, your macOS, your Linux. It acts as the ultimate project manager, grabbing all those software threads and assigning them to a hardware thread that's free. Which brings up a really cool question. Think about it. You might have hundreds of programs and background tasks running, hundreds of software threads, but your fancy new CPU only has, say, 8 cores and 16 hardware threads. How on earth does your computer not just grind to a halt? How does it create this illusion that everything's running smoothly at once? Well, the magic behind it is a little something called the OS scheduler. Think of it as that hyper-efficient kitchen manager, clipboard in hand. An application creates a task, and the scheduler instantly grabs it and says, okay, you go to chef number 3, he has a free hand right now. But, and this is key, it only lets it run for a moment. This whole juggling act is called time slicing. The scheduler gives each task just a few milliseconds of the CPU's attention before, bam, it swaps it out for the next one in line. And the next one, and the next. It does this thousands and thousands of times every second. It's so fast that to our slow human brains, it just feels like everything is happening simultaneously. It's a beautiful illusion, really.
Okay,